Hi. So, here we're going to talk about how to build lasting relationships. As an advisor, your job does not end after the client has been onboarded and the investment has been made. The secret to retain a client and to ensure that he is satisfied is to continuously engage with him. Let's see how this can be done. Ensure service satisfaction. So deliver on commitments. Now this goes without saying. Minimize the need for the client to visit you or call you frequently to get updates. Now this goes a long way in building a positive image and trust. Now maintain the same level of interest and support even after the sale is closed. So keep track of their investments. Treat the investments as and when required, so it could be in the form of additional purchase or withdrawals, and send them timely updates. Become integral to the client's decision-making process. Now, you should become so crucial that the client feels the need to consult you even for decisions that are not directly related to investments. So, for example, prepayment of a home loan versus continuing the home loan. Proactively engage with the client. Now, this helps both of you in terms of keeping track of the financial status and the investments. Now, in an odd case where the client visits you or calls you up for certain doubts or clarifications, ensure that you provide all the requisite information promptly and the job is done within agreed timelines. Wow your clients. Now, everyone really looks at customer service, that's a given. What you should focus on is customer experience. Deliver or take them through a unique, memorable experience, not just a service that differentiates you and makes them feel special and privileged. Now, this can be done by going above and beyond the sale. So firstly, be updated about the market and know exactly what is happening in your domain. So if a client comes to you and has any query related to the market or the domain, you should be able to explain it to him in the way that he understands. Be proactive in terms of telling him about the new developments that are happening that you think could benefit him. If you find out that the client has pre-existing investments with another advisor, make a note. If you think that the schemes are appropriate for the client, don't make any changes with your new recommendations, as it might entail exit load and taxes. Remember, customer first. Value-added services and additional services at little or no extra cost can go a long way in differentiating you from your competitors. For example, complimentary subscriptions to newsletters or websites. Become a one-stop shop for your customer. So build a network of people who provide services like health insurance, life insurance, general insurance, etc. so that even if you don't provide these services directly, you can get them serviced through your network. For specialized services like legal services, wills, GST, etc., you can refer them to your partners. Keep the relationship alive. Make the customers think that you're connected with them. So keep in regular touch with them. If need be, maintain a diary and make sure that you contact them at regular intervals, maybe just to check on things. Do thoughtful and unexpected things for the client. So remember their birthdays and anniversaries, greet them on festivals and other important milestones like their daughter's wedding or birthdays or job promotion, job change, etc. Now this can help you in keep in touch with the client and also ensure that you are on the client's mind. Now, unexpected follow-up calls about your service levels can actually go a long way in making the client realize that you really care about him. Now, if a customer comes up with a new or an additional request, identify the product mix that you think will match with the customer's requirement. Now, in case you do not have a product that matches the customer's requirement, tell him politely that you will not be able to help him and guide him to the right resource. Try to onboard the client's family members by suggesting products that are suitable for them. This will increase the stickiness of the client to you. Also, if you think you've done a good job and the client is satisfied with you, ask for referrals. Providing clients with a delightful experience will not only make them satisfied, but will also make them your passive brand ambassadors. Now, one client's positive recommendation can help you get multiple referrals from their market. I'm sure all these points would go a long way in helping you build lasting relationships with your clients. Thank you.
Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme-related documents carefully.